Most people like to believe a comforting idea that humans are naturally good, kind, honest, peaceful. But history whispers something very different. Under the right conditions, almost anyone can change, not slowly, not gradually, but instantly. And the truth makes people uncomfortable because it means the line between a good person and a dangerous one is thinner than we want to believe. Tonight, we are going to look at 5 uncomfortable truths about human nature. And the last one is the reason many systems are able to control millions of people. Number 1. Power reveals what people really are. When people have no power, they behave carefully, they follow rules, they avoid conflict. But give someone authority over others, and something interesting begins to happen. Decisions become colder, empathy begins to fade, and slowly they begin to believe their position makes them more important. Power doesn't always corrupt, but it almost always reveals what was hidden. Number 2. Fear can turn good people into dangerous ones. Fear changes the human mind faster than almost anything else. When people feel safe, they cooperate, they help each other. But when survival feels threatened, something ancient wakes up inside the brain. Trust disappears, competition grows, and suddenly, people begin protecting themselves at any cost. History has shown this pattern again and again. Civilizations don't always collapse because people become evil. Sometimes they collapse because fear makes people desperate. Number 3. The crowd is stronger than individual thinking. Most people believe they think independently, but the truth is, the human brain is deeply influenced by the crowd. Standing alone feels dangerous. Agreeing with the majority feels safe. So, people follow trends, opinions spread, and ideas grow powerful not because they are correct, but because they are popular. This is one of the quiet engines behind mass influence. Number 4. The human mind loves shortcuts. The brain processes thousands of decisions every day. To survive, it uses shortcuts. We trust authority. We believe repeated messages. We follow familiar faces. These shortcuts help us negative the world quickly, but they also create a weakness. Because someone who understands psychology can use those shortcuts to influence millions of minds, quietly, almost invisibly. Number 5. Awareness is the only real defense. Here is the part many people never realize. The system only works as long as people remain unaware. The moment someone begins to notice the patterns, something changes. They start questioning, they observe more carefully, and suddenly, the invisible forces around them become easier to recognize. Awareness doesn't make someone immune, but it does something powerful. It breaks the illusion, and once you see the illusion, the world never looks the same again.